Yo, 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 yo. This is an episode of TechP. What's the what? I am TechP, and today is a special day, at least for me. Today is my birthday. And so I am feeling good, but I do have some funny stories to share. Like this morning, I was on this birthday feeling great and saw my good brother driving down the street and went to wave him over, knowing that he would not come. But still, why not? And all of a sudden, on about that third wave around, I felt this. It felt like somebody put a butter knife in my neck between my back and something else. And I was like, so I was calling the chiropractic office. They've been helping me get my head and neck back together again, because I fell off a wall like Humpty Dumpty. I had to give them a call, and we got it scheduled. And so first things first, on my birthday, I went to see the chiropractor today. So I'm feeling 40-ish. It's probably the best way to say that in short. But I did wanted to come here and shoot a TechP What's the What, because I hadn't done it in a while, and this is a place that I come and I get to be whatever I am at that time, and it's fine. This week has been, we've had some magical things, movement and things take place. I have a really, really clear vision of the next steps to launch Responsible Human Relations, and also to be able to tell an unbelievable story about how one of my clients was mistreated by a toxic workplace, and the role that Once Integration played, and as a result, the services that we envision now, and tying that story into telling the why behind our services, when our services are going to be targeted for the people, both independently and the people of corporations that aspire to make sure that their employees are treated as the code of conduct states they are going to be treated. And so we see that as a win-win for employees. We see that as a win-win for business owners. They're paying money in litigation and lawyers and all the rest of that stuff and hiding behind NDAs. Why you might as well just take those same dollars and put them towards creating a better workplace. And so for us to be able to tell that story, and then bringing on resources that are going to join us and actually be able to speak from a certain level of experience on behalf of the people, marrying the services that we create through technology and vision for the people, kind of sounds and feels to me really, 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 really good. So that's that. With the older doctors, shout out Frank. We got some technology being created. Its development is finished. We're about to take the keys of it. We're about to onboard incremental older doctors and scale this business across the country. And Frank is so excited about it that we're starting another project. We'll tell more about that later on. But we feel really, really, really good about that. the virtual likeness services that we offer through Diverse Perspectives. We feel fantastic about that. That's coming along to be able to make that available for the people. We had yesterday, I've released this in a few places, but I probably should release it in a few other places. We had a diverse ODP Tech Talk featuring my good new friend, Cherie Dolan of Claro, and we talked about the responsible use of AI. And we announced in that time the ODP meetup focused on responsible AI and building a community around the responsible use of technology will be on May 23rd at Car Social in Frisco from 4 to 6. And so we talked about that, and it's sponsored by Claro. And so we talked about use cases in how do we make schools safer or environments safer. We talked about the impact to logistics. But what I would say is you can watch it. I'm going to release the whole episode. It'll be inside of Ontegration. Join the community of Ontegration if you're not already there. We got about 200 people there now. And we haven't spent not one marketing dollar yet. And so we feel really good about the culture that's taking place there. But join and you can watch the rest of the episode. But what I heard Cherie, who actually has been titled or given the name the Fairy Tech Mother, what I heard her say was that it was the best way to say what I've always been trying to say. And is that AI doesn't have a soul. And so when you see a irresponsible use of AI, it's because of the soul of the AI practitioner. And I was in that conversation that came to me, and I was like, that makes so much sense to me. Kind of like those guys who got arrested for having to listen to all of those damn robocalls for 4 years about our auto warranties for cars that we never even maybe had or has been gone for 10 years. Like those were guys who were using technology irresponsibly. And there's a lot of other instances that to the untrained technology eye, or to those who are unaware of different or ulterior motives of a technologist, you never know what it's about. For example, when social media told us they needed $14.99 for them to tell everybody else that we've been proven to be who we are, or something like that, they said. Whatever it was, it never made sense to me because I know they have your IP address. They have my IP address. They know who it is. They know it's me. And so they just told a bold-faced lie. I saw it. Boom, right there. Good gracious alive. There's a lack of integrity right there. And when I see a lie, I don't forget it. And so, we got a lot going on. We got some great stuff going on. I think I was talking about the responsible use of technology. We're having a meetup, Car Social, May 23rd, 4 to 6, Frisco, Texas. Cherie's going to be there. Come on out. We talked about safety, schools, logistics, operations. But most importantly, with these tools not having souls, they're going to have to be a set of people who know how to use these tools to be available. And that's why we're building this community. So we welcome you in. You can join our Diverse Perspectives. I think it's called Diverse Perspectives Business and Entrepreneurship. That tech channel within Ontegration is a part of that package. Or just check out Ontegration. There's a free model, there's a responsible model, there's a Diverse Perspectives model. These are all different layers and tiers that if you have any questions about, feel free to reach out. But for me right now, I got to rush off of here because I'm off to my second appointment with a medical professional today. And it is my 44th birthday, and we're just making sure that, hey, we're taking care of Jeff. And so, with that being said, this is the latest episode of TechP What's the What. I am TechP. Peace.